I've got a refreshing, healthy, bubbly drink for you today that will cure that soda craving. Stay tuned. Hi there, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where together we create healthy and tasty recipes to keep you inspired and thriving all year round. Today we're going to be making a carrot apple ginger spritzer. Today I'm going to be using my juicer for the recipe, but if you don't have a juicer, you can still make this delicious drink. All you have to do is take all of your ingredients, place them into your blender, and then blend it up really well. And then pour it right through your sieve so that you can separate the fiber from the juice. And you'll probably want to use a spoon as well to press it all the way down just to squeeze out as much juice as possible. We're going to be juicing 3 really simple but powerful ingredients today. I'm going to be starting with my ginger root because I find that if I juice it first, I'm able to get more juice out of it because then the other ingredients will help push it through. And now ginger is so good for balancing out your hormones, something that's really important as we get older. Not that I'm getting older. Next, I'm going to be juicing my bunch of organic carrots. Now, I can't stress how important it is to use organic produce whenever you're juicing so that you don't get pesticides inside of your delicious drink. Now, when I took my carrots, I did not peel them. I just gave them a really good scrub and then they're ready to go. And then I also cut off their tops because I'm going to be juicing them. These are amazing. They're really high in chlorophyll and great for detoxification. And the carrot juice itself is really high in those important B vitamins. So let's get going. Now I wanted to say something really quick before I put in these lovely carrot tops. I'm actually going to bunch them into a ball like this to help me get the most juice out of them as possible. Okay, turn this back on again. Okay, I wanted to say something really quick. If you do not have the green tops to the carrots to juice, no big deal. Just completely omit them altogether, and your juice will probably have a prettier color than mine's going to. And then if you don't use them, I would only juice 1 apple instead of 2. The greens can add in a little bit of bitterness to our juice, so I am going to use 2. And the fun thing about juicing apples is they all have a different flavor, so you can play around with this drink and have a lot of fun with it. And then also apple juice is really good for your digestion, so let's add it in. One more thing I want to add in about your apples. So juice the entire apple, including the seeds and the core. All of that has wonderful nutrients that you can then use inside of your juice. Okay, now we're ready to put the drink all together. Okay, to our juice, I'm going to add 1 to 2 drops of lemon essential oil. Now this is totally optional. I'm going to add it in because it's a great detoxifier and can help your digestion. Plus it'll add a little bit of a citrusy flavor to our juice. Then once you have the lemon essential oil in there, give it a really good stir. Okay, now we're ready to add in our last ingredient that's going to add in that little bit of a bubbly to our spritzer. 1/2 cup of sparkling mineral water. All right, give that one last good stir, and then we will be ready to serve it up and give it a taste. Let's serve it up. I'm going to add in a couple of ice cubes to my glasses just to make sure that it's nice and cold. Now, if you didn't juice your greens, of course, this would be a completely different color. Let's give this spritzer a try. Come on, Jeremy. Have to drink this with another person to enjoy it. Right? Cheers, Jeremy. All right.
It's good.
It's so good. It's crisp. It's refreshing. It's sweet. It's got a little bit of tang from that ginger. So good. Definitely give this one a try and then let me know how it goes for you. Be sure to leave your feedback in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you, especially if you give this recipe a go. Also, I'm here every week with a new healthy recipe, so be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any. Cheers. Cheers to your health.